Today is the day that I stopped lying to myself. It's the day that this FPV boy becomes an FPV man.
And now you're gonna be an FPV man for the rest of your life?
No. Today, I'm gonna be testing out a 5-inch for the first time. My first 5-inch.
And now you're gonna be...
And we're going to find out if it really is that much greater, or if I can be okay flying a 3.5 or a sub 250 drone. Is this going to blow my mind? We have a fine craft indeed. We have a 335, the 533? 335 switchback. We have it on the latest firmware. We have it with good stuff. We have X-Nova motors. I've always wanted to try things. This is the most premium build I've ever flown today. So we're going to find out if I love it, if I'm addicted, and if I can't stop flying it, or if I'm going to be happy with the Great Discus. Will this little thing be able to satisfy my needs, or am I going to need the big one to get the job done? Like that. Okay? And put your hands in your pockets nicely. Thank you. My child loves freezing herself.
Because I got 2 layers on.
Oh, are you feeling too hot?
Yeah.
That's good. I'm glad that my child is warm, so that they don't say that he takes his little kid out into the field freezing.
No, I mean I'm like sweating.
Good. It is better to be sweating than it is to be freezing.
It's better to be sweating than to be freezing.
Okay, if you're not cold, you can take off one of the hoodies, okay? But like, you're crazy. This kid is like, I go to pick her up from school. It's freezing cold, and she's like standing there without a hat on, and we give her a hat, but she's not wearing a hat, and then she's holding snow in her hands, and it's just like, my child is a psychopath.
Because I like the snow.
You like the snow?
Yeah.
Okay.
To play in it.
I already did a hover test at least, so we know that it's safe.
Yeah.
And usually I let Avery play in the field, but not this time. This time we're going to be responsible.
Yeah, which
We're
I
going to be
should
super
be.
responsible, because
Yeah,
this itself is already screaming responsibility, isn't it?
Yeah, that's like so dangerous to fly so close to a kid.
Why are you taking your jacket off? I never said you could take your jacket off. You can't run around for this flight. You can run around for the next one. Sit down. Put your jacket back on. You crazy kid. Okay. This is like my first time flying something with like a 45-degree angle. So first of all, we're flying something super fast with a crazy angle. So it's going to be... I'm going to put this on the edge. Oh, are we going to be nice and gentle? What do you think? Are we going to be nice and gentle?
No.
Oh my god.
That's an expression that you're gonna be like really fast.
I'm going to be a bad boy.
Yeah.
Okay. My very first time. I want to be warm. Okay, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Are we recording? Yes, we are. Something doesn't feel right. Here we go. Oh!
That one's very fast, right?
Let's try full throttle. Whoa!
Oh, Dad, you almost go up into space.
You know what? Feels like it takes longer.
'Cause it has a small battery.
Woo! Whoa, that doesn't sound good.
That's just a cool splash. Yeah, I think it's losing battery.
definitely actually doesn't feel as good. I can feel the weight.
So it's not gonna be your favorite.
Feels slower.
Cause the battery is going low.
Woo!
Cause the more speed it has, the less battery it has. I mean, the less power it has.
Well,
You fell.
that was fun.
That was not your favorite, right?
Okay, Avery, go get it.
Okay.
Actually, wait a sec. Let's see if I can, Nope, go get it. Go, it's at the door, Avery.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
I wonder if I killed it. I wonder if it's done now. That was fun. Honestly, it wasn't that great. I don't need it. I think the 3.5 is actually funner, faster, more responsive. I felt like, you know, even though it's 6S, I felt like I was driving, like if you think of a motorcycle, a 600 versus like 1,000 or something more, like it's got a lot of power, but it's heavy. Honestly, F7 processor and everything, but I don't know. Yeah. It's ruined. Well, that's perfect. That's what I wanted to do. You know what's funny? My 3-inch hit that thing and it didn't die. It's cracked? Let's see.
See? Oh, that brownies. See?
What do you mean it broke?
What?
What do you mean it broke?
See?
It didn't break.
See?
It just has some dirt in the motor.
Ew. Daddy, why did you say take off one of the layers?
It didn't break.
I just heard you.
Well, the thing is okay. It's still good. We just might have to clean it a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, this motor.
It's not good. It's not gonna be your favorite.
Well, it's at storage. It's okay. Frame's okay. I'm gonna take it apart and build another discus. I'm gonna build a racing discus, and then I'm probably going to.
Yes, I knew the other one was.
I'm probably gonna sell the frame and the motors. There's 3 motors that work, and
And now they're gonna get the
yeah,
bad
there's
one.
3 motors that work, and yeah, I'm gonna take this apart. It was underwhelming. Maybe it's the old props or something, but in general, these kind of props I don't like either. Like I actually, like on the 3-inch when I fly the other props, and then I fly these props, I feel that I like the way that the other ones feel more. It's not really legal, so that's the most illegal thing I've done.
And you are really bad.
I'm really bad? I was really bad?
Yeah, 'cause that's illegal. That means that's not allowed.
Yeah, I shouldn't have done that.
You're a bad boy.
I'm a very bad boy.
I'm telling Mom.
You know Mommy likes me because I'm a bad boy.
No.
Yeah.
'Cause she's a bad girl, but you're not her kind
What do you
of
mean?
bad
Not her
boy.
kind.
'Cause you're not bad enough like her.
Oh, thanks. So I'm kind of like a good bad boy?
No, you're supposed to be like bad. On this one, can I run?
Yeah, you can go right.
Yeah. You're gonna be like the baddest boy ever.
Should I want to be the baddest boy ever?
Do you?
Damn it.
Do. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Elastics are your friends.
What?
Elastics are your friends.
Why?
Because you can use them. I have to redo this
faster than a drone.
Okay.
Take your positions. I'm ready to race.
Okay, excuse me. Okay, get away from it. Go over here until it takes off. After it takes off, you can go run, okay? I might have to re-solder that. I feel like we're gonna get disconnected. Okay, let's go do this. Yeah, this thing feels much. Oh. Yep, something's wrong with it. Yeah, RPM filter, something is wrong. Well, that was fun. What's wrong with the RPM filter? Okay, Avery, go get it! Yep, so even though we've had a few smacks or whatever, it's good as new. Something is going on that's funny with it. I don't know, it's losing it's losing some sort of something. Get away from it. Over here when I take off, please. And yeah, it's fun. So I'm gonna try and not flip it. I'm just gonna fly it normally. And hopefully it doesn't do that anymore. Water, bloody water. Yeah, something's up. I had all sorts of problems. Well, the 5-inch, I smacked the motor, and the motor's bent, and now I'm not going to buy another motor. I'm just going to take it apart and build another discus. When I actually look at the footage of the 5-inch, it doesn't show kind of what I felt, but when I was flying, it was almost like I felt the delay of the weight of the drone. It was almost like a different form of latency, because with the 3.5, with the stick input, the moment I spin it, I can kind of just feel the drone doing it super fast. Whereas with the 5-inch, it did it too, but it was almost like slower because of the weight. So I've never, I guess, had to deal with the extra weight. It was fine, but it's just, I felt that the battery wasn't really lasting that long. Like it was sagging a lot quicker. So I feel like with the 3.5, I feel more zippy. I feel more like really quick spins. Feels like less latency, even if it's the same amount of latency, because it's less weight, so that it's easier probably for it to spin faster. I just had problems also with my 3.5. It has, I don't know if it's gonna fly good. It's been through the ringer. I've been so impressed. It's the Happy Model board that the Crux 35 comes with, and I've literally like beat the crap out of it. So it might start falling apart, or it was flying good, and then I wanted to kind of put the 3-inch on the same tune as the 3.5, and when I did that, I messed up something. I haven't been able to get it to fly as well. Something's happening that's making it desync, so I'm gonna probably take it apart and rebuild it and make sure everything is nice and smooth. I don't need a 5-inch. It's just more expensive, easier to get in trouble, easier to hurt someone and everything. So I'm sticking to the 3.5. I love it. I love the discus. You can get one in the description and check out the videos about it if you haven't seen it. Thank you for giving me your time and hanging out, and I will see you in the next one.